Started at a very young age at school. I got into home economics, which was the curriculum then. I then tried and tested the food. Each week we were given our job for the following week. I'd go home, I'd practice the dishes, I'd work with my father who was a chef, and I was quite competitive at a young age. I wanted to come in and do those dishes, be the best, come out and get the praise from the teacher. Didn't always work like that. You know, numerous times I'd come in, things would burn in the oven, boil over on the stove, but I was learning from that age. I'd go back, improve upon it, and compete against my peers at school at that time. I wanted to do the best trifle, best fruit salad. There were always simple things, but things you could put, you know, a bit of kiwi fruit, bit of guava in there, anything to, I'd bring something in that the teacher would say, this is what we're going to do. We're going to do oranges, apples, bananas and pineapple, and I'll bring in a guava, bring in some lychees or something like that. So yeah, always trying to push the boundaries from a young age, really. We need to support our industry. You know, we all go out to eat. You know, the high street is populated by different restaurants. You know, to feed those restaurants, we need chefs. We need young chefs to be inspired, to be creative. I think if you've got somebody that's creative at school or through college, pick them up, nurture them, bring them through, they will then do the same to commies and to other chefs coming through at the same time. We need to build our industry. Our industry at the moment is depleted of chefs for different reasons, through COVID and so forth. We're all in tough times. We need to nurture, and we need to nurture through young people, give them the guidance, give them the support and the encouragement to do well. I think perseverance. You're not going to get to the top, you're not going to achieve straight off. Know your boundaries, know your barriers, but try to exceed those. Know your inner self, know your limits. Everything's not going to come to you in one go, but be creative, enjoy what you're doing, try things, speak to your peers as well. If where you're working or where you're going to go on to, if they know you're passionate about what you do, they will support you. Nobody can turn down passionate people. A career is what you make it. You can go from starting to going straight through to the head chef or a restaurant owner very, very quickly. Have passion about what you do as well. Enthusiasm. You know, nobody knows everything, especially when they're starting off. Enthusiasm, passion, as I've said before, and perseverance. You know, we don't always succeed, but the fact is that you know the end goals. You see your peers, you see chefs on TV, you see people that you've worked for or people that you admire. You can get to those stages if you've got those attributes. You know, stick by your goals and work towards your goal and how you want to achieve yourself.